Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you all my go-to summer makeup routine, which is budge-proof and so easy and comfortable to wear in the summer months. So let's get started. First, prepping up my skin because skincare is important. Only and only then your makeup will turn out good and it would last as well. So firstly, I'm using the L'Oreal eye serum underneath my eyes. I'm testing this product out. It's fragrance free and only so that's the reason why I'm using it. So I just applied it underneath my eyes with the cooling tip and just massaged it very well into the contour of my eye. Post that, I move on to either of the serums and then my moisturizer. I just forgot to take my serum, so I directly hopped on to the moisturizer. Here I'm using the simple moisturizer and oh my god, this moisturizer is just so good. I'm a dry skin type, but definitely during the summer month we get like sweaty and just don't like that feeling of a very heavy moisturizers, and so such gel cream moisturizers come into play. Suppose that I'll be using the new launch from Kiro. It is their pH Play Lip Oil and a new shade in their range, which is Cherry Nectar. I previously loved their pH Play Lip Oil and I've used it so much. This one is a different one which has squalane as well as red dragon fruit antioxidants, and the lip formulation is so unique along with benefits. You can see how beautiful the tint is on my lips. I'll be using it on my cheeks as well later, but after that, once I applied the lip oil, I went in with my sunscreen. Post my moisturizer just sinked into the skin. So using the 3-finger rule, do not skip your sunscreen, your SPF protection during the summer months. Apply loads of it and let it absorb and sink into your skin before you start off with your makeup. So post your skincare, basically just allow everything to settle into your skin, otherwise your makeup will start to peel. So do not rush and begin with your makeup, keep that in mind. So I just applied the Bello Photosterol sunscreen, which was suggested by my dermac, all over my face and just massaged it in. You can see it just adds a nice dewy glowy finish. If you are an oily skin type, they also have a matte variant, or you can use any matte gel sunscreen as well. Now, most important part is a good mattifying primer. So if you have pore issues, definitely use a pore primer near your pore zones and a mattifying primer all over your face to help control excessive oil and a sebum, and so that your makeup stays in place for longer run during the hot heat time. So yes, just pressing the primer down, and post that I moved into concealing using the Swiss Beauty concealers. I'm using a warm shade right here, which is 01 from their range, and this is like 2 shades deep. For my skin, works basically like a corrector, and it's just like warmer than my skin tone, so I like to use it instead of a corrector and just blended it out. I used very little amount. Now the key over here is to use less amount of product. So like less is more during the summer month, because the more you're gonna pile your face, the more it's gonna peel and crack and would not look flattering. And basically all we want our skin is to look just retouched and blurred and finished without giving it a very nasty cakey look. So yes, less is more. Go very light-handed. Keep on adding less product and keep on blending them. I also use shade number 14, which is a lighter shade like my skin tone match, and just underneath my eyes and 2 dots near my lip area to brighten it up. And yes, that's all. I'm using the Mars blending brush to just blend the concealer out, and you can see how flawless my skin looks post using just the concealer. So you just need to like either spot correct or use concealer wherever required. You can totally skip out on your foundation or BB cream or CC cream. If you like wearing BB or CC cream and not concealer, you can go ahead and do that. Next up, I moved into my favorite step, which is gonna bring light to your face, which is a good bright pop of color on your cheeks. And for that, I'm using the Kiro pH Play Lip and Cheek Oil in the shade Cherry Nectar, and I just used 3 dots of it across my cheeks and a dot on my nose bridge. This product is just so good. It adds that nice wash of color on your cheeks. It has like a pH adaptive tint, which is like a customized color. It is long lasting, vibrant tint that is going to last all day. Plus it is very, very lightweight on the skin. It's easy to apply and very easy to even blend. Plus it is non-sticky and it also gives a dewy finish, which I totally love. Plus on the lips, it just looks so luscious, glossy. I love the finish of this lip oil. Totally in love with it. And now that we look a bit shiny, I would just set my face with a good foundation compact, or you can use a good mattifying compact over here. Here I'm using my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying powder. It's like very low on coverage but mattifies my face so good and just makes my makeup very long lasting. All of the shade details and everything I'll be mentioning in the description box, so kindly check that out. And just stamping my face with the powder, and do not, like, rub across your face. Just stamp the product so that your makeup stays wherever you've applied it. And then just adding some drama to my eyes by curling my lashes. So basically my base is very simple, just a concealer and blush, and set it with a powder, nothing much or over the top, but let your eyes and cheeks and lips speak. So that's gonna make your makeup stand out. So adding loads of the Colossal Lash mascara from Maybelline. I love this mascara so much. It just adds so much of length and flutteriness to my lashes. Post that, most important step is to set your makeup in place with a good long lasting setting spray. This one is from L'Oreal. It's their Infallible Pro Spray and Setting Spray. It's gonna make your makeup long lasting, waterproof, smudge proof, sweat proof and budge proof during the summertime. Just let it dry and let the makeup stand out and the spray do its magic. You can see the before and after as well. It just looks so good on my skin. My skin actually looks like skin and not makeup, and that was like the whole aim of this look, because I wanted my skin to look very nice, yet a little bit retouched at places, very lightweight on the skin. This makeup is gonna stand the heat for sure. Let me know if you liked it. You can find all of the links in the description box, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and